Hi everyone. While I'm still waiting for my Switch Lite to arrive, I thought we'd have a quick look at Nintendo's official case. So here it is. It comes in a relatively small box. In Australia it's selling for around $30. And it also comes with a screen protector. Again, as I don't have the Switch Lite itself, it's hard to evaluate that component, but let's have a look at the case. So this comes in a variety of colours, I'm pretty sure. I've just got the standard white one here. There's quite a nice finish to it. Seems pretty sturdy. Good zip. And if we open it up, it has 8 game card slots. Nice microfiber fabric interior. And overall, pretty happy. Possibly a wee bit expensive for what it is, but official accessories always are. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!